Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I am going to show you how you can enable the card view on your Google Chrome or any other Chrome based browser. In my case, I'm going to using the Brave browser. Let me show you the list view is still enabled. Now I'm going to want to use the card view, and also you want to use the group tabs. So I'm going to go to the settings, accessibility, and turn off the simplified view for open tabs. This is it. Now I'm going to have to reopen it. Here you can see the card view is back, which is the best. I always use it. Also, you can use the group tabs here. Let me show you. The best scenario is that you should close the browser and open it again. So it works very well from the ground up. Here is loading. Now let me show you how you can group tabs again like you do previously. Here I'm gonna press the group tab, select the tabs that I want to group, and press the group. Now 3 tabs are grouped. Also, we can close the tabs from here, or you can add more tab in this group, and also you can drag and drop to make groups just like that. 2 tabs are grouped. So this is the small tweak that you can use to enable the card view and the group tabs in your Google Chrome or any other Chrome based browser. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.